Kim Gaddy, Chair of the City of Newark's Environmental Commission, and I stand here representing my 3 children who are asthmatic. And the Environmental Commission, 2 of the goals that we are set forth in our Sustainability Action Plan for the City of Newark deals with asthma-associated air pollution and the reduction of greenhouse gases. So as I represent the residents of the City of Newark and my 3 children, we're against this project as it stands. Because currently, 1 out of 4 children in the City of Newark have asthma. More kids die in the City of Newark from asthma than homicides, but what we see in the paper are homicides. 7,000 trucks currently come through the Newark port. With the expansion of this Bayonne Bridge, that will increase to 14,000 to 20,000. We are not satisfied with a simple EA. Like the EPA, we are demanding an EIS. We need you guys to understand the importance that when you raise this bridge and you disproportionately pollute in communities of people of color, you are killing us, and we can't take it anymore. When you also look at the raising of this bridge and you talk about the impacts that it's going to have, you excluded the Newark community. We had to beg to have a hearing today. You had 2 hearings set, one in Staten Island and one in Bayonne. So I'm appreciative that you at least are here to hear our concerns, but Newark is included in this picture. We're dead smack in the middle. I'm a 3rd-generation Newarker. I live on the South Ward side of the City of Newark, which abuts the ports. So my community is directly impacted by the air pollution each and every day that come from these trucks. So we are demanding that the Port Authority calls for 2007 newer trucks and also the electrification of equipment, because we care about the longshoremen and the people who work. My best friends are longshoremen. But at the end of the day, the pollution that's around that port is killing each and every one of us. So we as leaders of the Newark Environmental Commission, we do not support this as it stands. And I also want to just say that we demand a community benefits agreement that will address the health, economic, and social impacts to the community from this project. We didn't see that in your EA. That's not addressed. It's not about the few jobs that you might have while this bridge is being prepared. It's about the longevity. Port Authority cannot continue to pollute my community and not employ us. They cannot continue to pollute this community and disrespect the health of our residents. I will submit written testimony. I just wanted to say that off the top of my heart. But again, you have to be responsible and accountable. There's no figure, no dollar figure you can attach to my 3 children who suffer. And if you ever have anybody who suffer from asthma, when you hear them having an asthmatic attack, think about this project. Thank you.
Thank you. Roger Ellis, please.